Hi there, Chris. Thanks for spending time on our website. Uh, we'd love to help with your paver cleaning project. I'm just here to say, hey, whether it's a haziness on your pavers, hard water that's dripping off, maybe you had a sealer put on and it's peeling and faded or just lost its luster. We're the surface prep experts that are here to help see your project all the way through to the final sealing. We can get it deep cleaned, we can get it resanded, and we can get it sealed with either a matte, a low gloss, or a high gloss finish using our industry best two-part polyurethane sealer that's going to last a long time and give you solid protection. Don't be shy about getting the project started by either giving us a quick phone call or even texting or emailing over pictures of your property. Oftentimes, our staff can just pull up a Google aerial image, measure the property, and give you an approximate price, which is generally between $2 and $3, depending on the complexity and size of the project. We'd be happy to discuss your project with you. Don't be shy about getting the project started. Give us a call, 714-34-CLEAN. Have a great day.